Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Secretary General, thank you for bringing us together here in The Hague, a city that has become a symbol of justice and respect for international law. The struggle of the Ukrainian people to defend their country cannot leave us indifferent. The tragic reality that we are witnessing today in the heart of Europe requires greater efforts to restore peace in our region. Blatant violation of international norms must not go unanswered. We have gathered here today to take yet another step on behalf of the international community towards establishing the necessary legal mechanisms. Ukraine must have appropriate instruments to receive compensation for the damage inflicted upon the country and its people as a result of this unjust war. Georgia, as a founding member of the Register of Damage, welcomes the next step towards establishing International Claims Commission. Georgia understands better than most how vital it is to uphold international norms. We know firsthand the human cost of unresolved injustice, the displacement of civilians, the destruction of homes, and the lasting scars left on the societies when accountability is denied. Even today, we continue our struggle to make use of existing legal mechanisms to ensure that the violated rights of our citizens resulting from Russia's occupation of 2 regions of Georgia are not forgotten. Despite numerous decisions by international courts holding Russia responsible vis-à-vis Georgia, it continues to disregard international law and its international obligations. This is precisely why it is necessary to reflect on the effectiveness of existing mechanisms and to take appropriate steps to ensure that justice is enforced. We also clearly understand how crucial adherence to the international rules-based order is for ensuring peace. Georgia is committed to the peaceful resolution of conflicts, and we appreciate the steadfast international support in this regard. Indeed, a consolidated response by the international community can make a significant impact. Lastly, Georgia remains in solidarity with the Ukrainian people. We support Ukraine's sovereignty, territorial integrity, and its right to justice. I would like to thank the Netherlands for hosting this conference and Secretary General for his efforts. Thank you.